Hi guys, my name is Gayatri Sisodia. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing a step-by-step simple makeup routine, especially for festive season like Raksha Bandhan is around the corner. So I have created a very simple makeup look which is very easy to apply and it will not take much time also. So no more wasting time and just dive into the video. So I have already applied moisturizer on my face to set my base for application of foundation. So I'm going to start with the product. So first product currently I'm using is this. This is a primer. So I'm going to use primer because I have lots of pores. So I'm going to cover it by using this. So I'm opening for the first time on the camera. This is a miniature actually. I got the miniature one. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to apply especially area where I have a lot of pores like this. So I have lots of pores on my cheek area, so I'm going to concentrate more over here. Okay, so after applying primer, the next product is foundation. I'm using Clinique Even Better Glow Foundation in the shade Ivory SN28. I'm going to link all the product in description box if you can't see my products in the camera. So don't worry about that. After applying foundation, next step is to use a concealer. For that I'm using LA Girls Pro Concealer in the shade Light Ivory. Okay, so after using concealer, I'm going to use a Fit Me's loose powder to lock my under eye area by using this. I'm just going to take this on the blender and I'm going to take this on the blender and going to apply under my eye area, the area which tends to sweat a lot and get oily a lot. Like my chin area. So after loose powder, I'm going to shape my brows using Benefit's Full Proof Brow Powder in the shade 5. Okay, so I'm done with my brows also. Now I'm going to contour my face using Benefit's Hoola Proof contour powder. So this is the mini version I have got right now. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to shape my nose as well. I'm going to use blender again to blend it really nicely. Okay, after contouring, I'm going to blush my cheek using MAC's blush in the shade Desert Rose. Okay, so now I'm going to do my eye area. So I'm actually wearing a pink outfit, so I'm going to use a shade related to pink and like gold kind of things. So for eye palette I'm using Makeup Revolution London Roxy palette. I don't know this shade. So I'm going to take a gold shade and just I'm going to apply as a transition shade. I'm just going to blend it. Okay, so I have applied a pink eyeshadow on my lower lashes as well, you can see. So next I'm going to apply a liner on my eyes, which is a very trickiest part because I suck when it comes to applying eyeliner, but I'm going to try. So I'm using for that L'Oreal Paris liquid eyeliner, super liner, something like that. So I'm going to take a pencil and I need to concentrate a lot while applying this. So I'm not doing a wing eyeliner because I want my look to be very simple. So मैं wing eyeliner नहीं कर रही हूँ. I'm just applying a normal eyeliner on my eyes. Okay, so I'm done with my liner as well. Okay, so now I'm going to apply a highlighter using Wet n Wild's highlighter powder in the shade Mega Glow. Okay, in lipstick I'm using Huda Beauty's Bulletproof lipstick in the shade Third Date. And I'm going to mix it with a Smashbox Driver's Seat lipstick. Okay, lastly I'm going to use a mascara from Flower, a Lash Warrior. So yeah, that's it for today's makeup. I'm done. Now I'm going to quickly go back and come all dressed up. So yeah, this is my final look. I'm wearing this beautiful pink anarkali in Bandhani style, and this long jhumkas and bindi to give it more Indian kind of look. So yeah, this is it for today's look. I hope you really like my video. If you like my video, then please like, share, subscribe to my channel. It would really mean a lot to me, and you can even follow me on Instagram because I'm quite active over there compared to YouTube. So I've linked everything in description box. Go, you can check it out and follow me on Instagram. Okay, don't forget that. And I've mentioned all the products I've used in this video also, so you can go and check it out if you're interested in buying and just having a look. Thank you so much. Bye. See you next video.